Good morning, folks. This is the first week of school, and I'm just going to give you a little overview of what we're going to be doing this week. Okay. First thing we're going to be doing is we have three forms that you got to get signed by your parent or your guardian. If you go ahead and look in assignment checklists, if you're at home, you can go ahead and print these forms out, get them signed, and then when you come back to school on Thursday or Friday, you can go ahead and bring them back. If you're in my class today, Monday, I'm gonna go ahead and pass them out to you. Okay, so please try to get these forms back as soon as you can. And also, what we're going to be doing is first assignment will be due this week also. So if you go on assignment number one, you click on that. That's your assignment. Okay, so this week is kind of just getting back into the groove of things. So remember, we got to get those forms signed. So if you can print them out at home, go ahead and print them out. If you can't, when you come to school, I'm going to give them to you. Get them signed by your parent guardian, return them back to me, and we'll be good to go. All right, so that's our assignments for week one. See you in class.